Hello everyone, this is the neat computer 63-inch computer desk that I'll be assembling in this video. So I got this from Amazon, and in this video I want to show you what's in the box and how to assemble it quickly. It is very well packaged, as you notice, and it has everything you need to assemble it. So I'm gonna remove all the packaging, and notice here, because I have a hardwood floor so that I don't scratch the top of the desk, I've left one of the packaging here and then I put the table on it. This here is the instruction manual, and it is really very easy to assemble because the frame is already pre-assembled on the top of the desk. So all you need to do now is to put the legs and tighten them. So these are the legs here in this box. This is the Allen wrench with the screws for the legs. So this is a leg, and you notice here that it has two openings, and this is where you're gonna tighten the screws. I'm gonna show you all this. And on the leg also you have this adjustment here, and you get two extra adjustments in case one of them broke or if you lose it, which is very good. So now I'm gonna zoom in so that you see how to assemble the leg, and then I'm gonna assemble all the legs. For each leg you need two screws and the Allen wrench, and put the openings of the leg here on this corner like this. So here you have two holes, and you need to put one screw in each hole and align it to the leg. So notice here how the screw enters, and you should align it with the holes here. Let me put the second screw so this way you can see it. So this is the top screw. See how it goes in? Just align it, turn it by your hand so it goes in, and then tighten it with the Allen wrench. Make sure it is tight. And here you can tighten it very good because it is metal on metal. And now you need to assemble the other three legs. One thing I wanted to mention also is that when you put the legs, make sure that the adjustment is all the way down. And when you put the desk on its feet, now you can adjust this. And I'm gonna show you how to do this. I also wanted to share a tip with you. Always start with the bottom screw, so it's easier to see the top screw when you put it in. So now the table is assembled. I want to flip it over. Just flip it on its side like this. And then you can simply carry it and put it like this. So the desk is a bit wobbly now, maybe because my floor isn't very aligned. So this is why it has adjustments here, and this is very good. So let me put the adjustment. And notice now how it is sturdy and it doesn't move. By the way, if you want to check out this computer desk, I'm gonna leave an Amazon affiliate link in the description below. If you make a purchase using my link, it will help my channel greatly at no cost to you. I want to thank you all for watching, and if you think that this video is helpful, please share it, subscribe to my channel, and give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it, and this way you'll not miss any future videos I make. I'm Eloy. See you on the next video.